that's cool. That's cool. So far, it encompasses all you need to present. That's fine.
Sorry. So, hello, gentlemen. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Evening. Yeah, how are you? Right. So, okay. We have the class prefect in the house.
Okay. Who is the class professor?
Mr. John, Abby.
And I want to make me I talk. you know that group one.
We didn't know the class prefect. Yes,
you know the group one people. They look like man. They look like Donald Trump. All right, so gentlemen, so I just thought we should have this opportunity for a rehearsal. So you understand?
Okay.
Right, we should have this opportunity for a rehearsal. So we tried to see, because actually my observation was that I see a situation whereby so many people really wasn't taking that portal seriously. And the fact that we have said that people should work in a group should not mean that you really should bank on that group value without your own contribution and being able to defend whatever is there. Forget about the title. Some people have had the leadership title and they will be reporting, whereas they did not participate. Whereas we also hear some people will be secretary and they have not done anything and they'll be carrying the title of secretary. I'm trying to see how I can catch people before they catch you from outside the country. I will catch you first. So, so I have to just make sure that it's important if you don't know to ask questions. I've not dismantled the groups. The groups are still very active. Your collaborations and talking within the group is still essential, but we want to see the participants, you know, quality brought to bear, you know, so that we are not just coming to take a risk like we normally take a risk in Nigeria. Those ones then will get us, so we'll go, we need to try our best. Right, so I think we might just bank on group one. We might bank on group one. Who and who are in that group?
Well, I, John, and Iklimatu is not yet online. Just chatted out.
To be active with us today because she has not been doing, she hasn't been active in the past sessions. I would have loved to listen to her first in that group. You see what I mean? So I'm not taken by the group leader who will just blind my eyes to the group. I need to challenge everyone, especially this Betty Abasi John.
Oh, why am I being this challenged?
So you will use your NEPA voodoo to chance us. Right. Okay. And then quite frankly, the prof actually wants to identify certain specific skills in each one of you because that will aid final, you know, checks on what we try to see what we do in the end. So group one, can someone get started? In no special order, group one. Others will join in.
Okay. Interesting. John, you predicted this. That will be the first.
You're starting.
And I am the first. Okay.
And please,
okay.
You can share your screen to show anything you want to do. And feel free to do this because these are the kind of characteristics you should be very smart at doing. If you have a presentation, share your screen, do your presentation, share your screen. You understand? You have many other skills to present.
Well, yeah. Well, okay. First is I will be doing a presentation. I'll be coming up with a presentation, but I don't have that presentation 100% ready yet. But what I will just do is just to give a verbal presentation of
so when you are telling us that
the assignment.
you are telling us that other teammates have better things to show, who will detect them, who catch them soon. Please go ahead.
What, sir?
No, if you are telling us that other group members will do a better work in terms of presentation, we'll be excellent. I'm just admitting to now from Gombe. That's nice. So let's do this as fast as possible so that we don't waste.
As fast as possible. Okay. First, we actually chose a company called ICRAM and ERA Technologies. The company is a technology solution. ICRA and ERA Technology is a company that is progressive and fast-growing provider of complete IT training and solutions. And the company is actually located in Gombe State of Nigeria and has a staff strength of 15. The company actually utilizes cutting-edge technologies and trained specialists. We also have system integrations and engineering solutions with the sole aim of kind of creating and branding a smart future for our host environment and beyond. What this company does is actually we are into training. So we provide a wide range of well-designed functional training tools using contemporary technologies to deliver the service. So it has a kind of an innovative training-focused tools that have helped improve and increase the efficiency of its clients. So that's technically what the company does. It's actually basically into training. So, and then in terms of the other talked about the dimensional presentation. So in terms of the 8-dimensional view model, this company can be said to still be in the inner circle. And the reason being that we've not started pushing the boundaries of the dimensions on all sides so that we can be more digitized. So we just as we're just getting down into this business, and then we realize the fact that there is even something called 8 dimensions in the 8-dimensional view in the first place. So we can be said to still be at the inner circle, in the sense that we have not started pushing that dimension in all sides to have a more digitized future. Now, when we talk about the impact of, can you hear me, please?
Very well, go ahead, please.
Okay, so when we talk about the impact of COVID-19 on the company, one thing that this COVID-19 has actually done is that it has brought about a plunge in the demand for the services of the company. So because before now we would actually go to schools, we will go to the client's place and then have trainings. But due to the lockdown measures that our country actually took to prevent the widespread the spreading of COVID-19 pandemic, there is a great loss on the revenue when compared to last year. But one thing actually happened. There is a shift in the sense that the pandemic also opened avenues for virtual training. So we have private individuals requesting for domestic use of our softwares, and then we also have requests for enhanced virtual meetings for events and organizations, and this actually became common. So in response to this, we had to actually innovate and quickly adjust to the new normal to maximize and cushion the effect of the fact the effect that the pandemic and the lockdown has actually caused. We discovered that overall, the loss recorded from the traditional ways of doing things was actually negated by the profits we're able to generate from the new normal. So we would say the profit after tax of the company ended up growing by 50% when compared with the previous years. So the impact of the COVID, of the pandemic, could be said to have actually helped the company to grow. You know? So, and that's for some other companies, because they aren't growing, but because of where we are, and because of the fact that people had to now stay at home and everything has now gone virtual, you know, it actually added more value to the company, and we're able to, you know, to adjust to. We're able to adjust. So one of the things we actually learned at the end of the day is that we have, as a company, we can't sit down without getting digitized. We can't sit down without you know, pushing the dimensions of the digital structure. Exactly. And get out of the inner circle. That's you know, and get and get and getting out of the inner circle, and then push that circle. I mean, push out so that we can be more digitized. Because the advantage.
Let me. You can stop there, Group 1 lead. Let me say that you've actually made the main points there, and let me just confirm in this discussion or this presentation, can everyone see the new opportunities for entrepreneurs almost all over in every part of the country? Can you see it? Can you see this as a brand new set of prosperity for anyone that has done this kind of work, this kind of research, to come up with as many as possible opportunities to leverage on to improve your bottom line? Can we not see those new lines of business?
Yeah, we can.
Yes, we can. We
now realize that almost every place that you thought there was no work for you, you can create the work there, and those people will wholeheartedly absorb you because they need your service.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
So please let me pick on another group, Group 2. So we'll come back to Group 1. I will take it in that order first. Group 2, please.
Okay, sir. My name is Aliyu from Bauchi. I will present Group 2.
No, you are
our
present on your own accord. Group 2 will still present properly.
Mr.
Aliyu is group 3. You're in Group 3, sir.
So don't make mistake. I need Group 2, please.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Please go ahead, Mohamed Abubakar.
Thank you very much. Please, first of all, I would like to apologize to you and the members because actually I did not finish preparing for the presentation. Though my members, I thought I would see any one of them here so that
don't worry, they wanted to set you off. Maybe see why I have to change my thoughts.
Okay, so
perhaps some of you may not understand what me I'm also doing. You thought I was not a student like you.
Yeah, actually, so I would like to apologize for that. Maybe
I know their types very well, especially this baby Abasi. I won't leave him alone.
yeah. And actually, even me here,
if not careful, they will outsharp him. But then, Mohammed, please give your thought to that assignment. Yes, because you see, you will not have a choice not to do anything against tomorrow. And I want that when the assignment is given for, like, say, Friday tomorrow, it is to give the professor some time to run through what you guys have done to prepare him as to how he's going to engage you on Saturday. So that we don't waste his time, not just waste his time, so that he can be at least more, more attentive to what he should be saying based on what he has been able to access. This is why I have to kind of nib it a little earlier so that we can be better rehearsed and better prepared. And some of us should not take it as if it's one small stuff we just abandon. Since I said everybody will participate, you can see so many people are not interested to be here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah.
Mohammed Abubakar, you have your floor.
Okay, sir. So, like I said, sir, I said I would like. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I said I would like to apologize because we are not ready.
No, don't worry, please. Apology is not even taken. Just present your blank. We'll listen to it.
Okay. So actually, what I started putting on ground, I just picked one PitchMark Technologies. So PitchMark Technologies, I think is based in Lagos, and it has about 23 years in existing in Lagos. So what I do, I actually in the afternoon started concentrating to see the kind of work they do, and so that we are going to pick some useful information from there and see how we are going to build and match our own with this assignment. That's why I said I'm not even prepared, because I have to maybe sit down and
who else is in your group currently active?
I don't think they are active. All
Mention
of them
their
are
names.
off. And there's Awal from Taraba, and there's also David from Benue.
But I thought I cited Benue. I thought I cited Benue this evening. Okay. But at any rate, let's move to group 3, please. Group 3.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Sorry, if I may ask, don't you have a WhatsApp group that you guys, you know?
We have, but actually I try to.
You've muted yourself.
His mic is muted. So.
Okay. Oh, sorry. I say actually we have a group, WhatsApp group between the 3 of us. Then I try to contact them. Some of them respond and others did not respond. So several tried and make an attempt.
Hello?
I won't organize. Hello?
Did it shock you when I came up with my message? Did it shock you?
Yeah. It did not. It did not, honestly, because when I see the message, I said, oh.
Let me move on to my phone. Hey, now. Is this fuel? Eh? Kilo she? Oh no, Mumbiri. She fuel on Thompson. Okay. Let me see how.